Have you ever been cruising down the highway, hands comfortably resting on the steering wheel, while your Tesla's autopilot gently guides you along? It's a feeling of both freedom and technological marvel. But let's dive into a question that's been on many people's minds. Does Tesla autopilot actually change lanes? Now, before we dive deep into the technicalities, let's clarify something. Tesla autopilot is not a self-driving system. You, the human, are still very much in charge. That means your eyes should always be on the road, your hands ready to take over. But with that said, autopilot does offer some pretty impressive lane-keeping abilities. Let's break it down. There's a core feature called auto steer. This is what keeps your car centered within a lane. It uses cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to detect lane markings and adjust steering accordingly. So, while it won't initiate a lane change on its own, it does a fantastic job of keeping you in your lane. But what about those times when you need to switch lanes? That's where autopilot's lane change assist comes in. It's like having a co-pilot who's always checking the mirrors. If you activate the turn signal, autopilot will monitor blind spots, traffic conditions, and then smoothly steer the car into the adjacent lane. It's important to note that this is an assist, not an autonomous action. You're still the one initiating the lane change. Now, there's been a lot of buzz around Tesla's more advanced autopilot features, like Navigate on Autopilot and Auto Steer on city streets. These systems are designed to handle more complex driving scenarios, including changing lanes and traffic. But let's be clear, these features are still in beta testing, and Tesla is very explicit about the fact that they require active driver supervision. It's crucial to understand that autopilot, even in its most advanced forms, is not a magic bullet. There will always be situations where the system might not be able to handle everything. Weather conditions, road construction, and unexpected obstacles can all pose challenges. That's why it's absolutely essential to remain engaged and ready to take control at any moment. So, to answer the original question, does Tesla autopilot change lanes? Well, it depends. It can assist with lane changes, but it doesn't do it autonomously. The driver is always in control. And that's exactly how it should be. Remember, technology is a tool, not a replacement. Autopilot can make your driving experience safer and more convenient, but it's not a substitute for your attention and judgment. Always drive responsibly and be aware of your surroundings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.